Nick kind of sort of crashed the drone.
Oh, I'll try up again.
Can you reach it?
So it is a new day, we're having breakfast at the moment. Last night we ended up looking around trying to decide where we're going to go for dinner. We ended up finding this great place. We were deciding whether or not we should go in, and someone sitting there gave us a great recommendation. Said they'd been there a couple times and every time it's been amazing, and it was. We shared spring rolls and fried rice. The spring rolls were incredible, and we also got some fresh pressed juice, which was delicious.
We then went and watched a traditional dance, and it was absolutely beautiful. Their costumes were so detailed and there was so many people there to watch, which was really cool. It's morning. They also did a fire dance at the end, so this guy literally walked on fire multiple times. It was crazy. It was really cool to watch, and it was nice to see a bit more of a traditional experience. It's on every Monday and Friday night at 7:30 p.m, so definitely recommend going and checking that out. Tickets are 100,000, which is roughly 10 Australian dollars. So we're continuing on from yesterday.
Yep, back on the moped again today, and where are we going?
We're heading to some rice fields. Let's go.
Alright, we've got our scooter here. It only costs 70,000 here, which is for Australians around $7 for the whole day. Believe it, a traffic light. It's incredible. So we made it to the rice terraces, almost ran out of fuel. 2 fuel stations we went to, didn't have anything left, they were out completely. But if you're ever in the same situation, there are locals who buy the fuel ahead of time and then they sell it to you in like glass bottles or whatever. It's a bit more expensive, but there's heaps of them around, so you know, if the petrol stations do run out of fuel, that's always an option.
These rice terraces are so beautiful. The scenery is stunning, and all the little buildings along the mountain are just so pretty. There's even like a really updated modern one that has like different level pools. That is pretty cool. I've always wanted to come and see these, and I see why they're popular. They're so pretty, but it is hot today. We walked all the way from over there, down all the terraces, up again to this side. It's a good workout. Nick kind of sort of crashed the drone. So luckily our drone, you can press it for it to start flashing and beeping, so we can hear it. He's gone up there to see if he could see it, but I think he's coming back down. I think it's going to be a lot easier to crawl up than try not to fall down the mountain.
I'll try up again.
It's somewhere in the bushes.
I see it.
Can you reach it?
I can reach it with a stick. A really, really long stick.
Yeah, it's there.
Yeah, I can't.
Oh my gosh. Thank goodness.